In this lesson, we will look at a word problem that is a multiplicative comparison and solve for the missing product. Let's take a look at the word problem together. A yellow hat costs $6. A blue hat costs 3 times as much as the yellow hat. How much does the blue hat cost? I know since I'm comparing a yellow hat and a blue hat, and it uses the language 3 times as much, which indicates multiplication because of the word times, I know that this is a multiplicative comparison problem. Anytime we're comparing two or more things using multiplication, we need to draw a bar model to help us solve the problem. A bar model can be made by following these 6 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1 is make your labels. Labels are just what the word problem's talking about. So in this case, we're talking about a yellow hat and a blue hat. That's what's being compared. So I'll put a Y to indicate the yellow hat and a B to indicate the blue hat. Step 2, find out which label is more and write the word more. So if I reread the problem, a yellow hat costs $6. A blue hat, though, costs 3 times as much as the yellow hat. So I know the blue hat cost more. Step 3, write the multiplier beside the word more. So since the blue hat costs more and the multiplier is 3, since the multiplier is the number of times something's being repeated, I'll put 3 times. Now putting that multiplier beside it is very important because the multiplier tells me how many groups need to go by the blue hat. In this case, it's going to be 3. So I'll make a large rectangle and partition it into thirds, because this is showing that the blue hat is 3 times as much as the yellow hat. Now, the label, or what we're talking about in our problem that isn't more, always will get 1 box, because then we can see that the blue hat is 1, 2, 3 times as much as the yellow hat. Step 5, fill in the information you know. Well, I know based on the problem that the yellow hat costs $6. So since the yellow hat costs $6, I'm going to put a 6 beside the yellow hat. Now that tells me right there that I know the number inside of each box or each group. So since the yellow hat is $6 and the blue hat is 3 times as much as the yellow hat, I'm going to put a 6 in each of these boxes. Now I have everything I need to solve the problem. The problem asks, how much does the blue hat cost? Well, the blue hat is 3 groups of 6, and 3 times 6 will equal $18. The blue hat cost $18. In this problem, we have solved a multiplicative comparison problem where we do not know the product.